Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So guys, I'm here for the music, I'm here for the culture, I'm here for the heritage. Okay, so I'm traveling to different variations of the world to check out, to learn, and to understand the different diaspora in music. In my country, Jamaica, we only resonate in dancehall and also reggae. There are other genre of music, but we are more focused on dancehall and reggae. So this led me to be here in Russia and a part of Nigeria. Okay, my people, so I've encountered this video, this song. I guess it's a anthem, I think. And I want to check this out because, it's music. And once the music is there, I'll be there with the music. Because I do love music. And music brings so much happiness, so much joy, so much peace within myself. Okay, my people. So I'll be reacting to Tatьяна Kурtукova. The song is entitled Motherland. Okay, my people. So with that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what go on. Peace.
Сборная России подготовила для вас этот номер открытия. Поем все вместе. Татьяна Куртукова. Матушка.
Полевых цветов веночек в утренней росе цветок. Соловья запев свисточек, сок березовый глоток. Тишины послушать волю по тропинке в лес густой. Поболтать с березкой вдоволь про него и про любовь. Матушка земля, белая березовика, для меня святая Русь, для других занозаника. Матушка земля, ой, белая березовика, для меня святая Русь, для других занозаника. Сколько мне еще годочков у кукушки поспрашать, про любовь свою девичью на ромашке погадать. Ключевой воды студеной в сотах свежего меху, в чистом поле темной ночью в небе звездном утону. Матушка земля, белая березовика, для меня святая.
This is quite beautiful. It's a very great music. It gives you the vibe. She can sing. She's a very excellent singer. And I do like the vibe. I do like the fact that I'm here bouncing. Very great music. Such a vibe. Such entertainment. This is the reason why I always stepped out of my country to engulf myself in a different country to learn about their music. Because, guys, trust me, in Jamaica, we do have dancehall music that bring a vibe. We do have reggae music that bring a vibe. But what about the other countries with vibing music? This is one. This is literally something I can literally witness, bro, because it is remarkable. Her voice is remarkable. The stance, the movement, the dances, the entertainment. It's eye-catching. Very, very amazing. Let's continue.
Матушка земля, для
Московский государственный академический театр танца «Гжель». Хореографическая школа «Фантазия». Исполнительница русских народных и авторских песен Татьяна Куртукова.
Спасибо.
Давайте громче, громче, громче!
That was remarkable. She did well. She did superb. You know, everyone came on that field to do something in formation. And the form they have came with, it is remarkable. The sound is amazing. The movement is amazing. Her dress code, their dress code, the entertainment was such a fine tune. God bless him, bro. God bless him. You know, and it put a smile on my face to know that, hey, good music out there. Good artists are out there. Right? So this is the reason why I'm here, to step out of my comfort zone, to listen to others, to see what they can do. Because I love to educate myself with music that is not just my country, but across the entire world. Bro, I wish I could just travel to the entire world to react to every music, because I do love music. And this is a perfect example of why I do step out my country, because Nigeria music is amazing. Russia music is also amazing. Great artists are those country. Bro, that is some fine music. Very great movement as well. The movement are golden by them. Do love it. Thanks for watching, my people. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.